Hi everyone, welcome to Goes to 11's Women's Fishing Network. My name is Christine and I'm your Wednesday host. You can find me on Instagram at Christine M. Baines. This is my very first video, so bear with me. I'm sure that I've got a lot to learn. As of last week, the rivers local to me have become too warm to fish. Cold water fish like trout become at risk in high temperature waters. So although the rivers don't actually close to sport fishing for another week or so, I choose not to fish when the water becomes too warm for the health of the fish. So I'm here today for a couple of different reasons. One is to check for trapped salmon and steelhead fry. I've got my bucket and my net. It's that time of the year. They could use our help. I've been out a couple of times already on a different river checking for trapped fry. The other is to test out a rod that I will be using in my float tube. The rod that I've been using for the last couple of years is no longer serving me. So when I first started float tube fly fishing, it was suggested to me that I start with a shorter rod. So I started with an 8-foot 5-weight, and although I had fun with it, and I also caught a lot of fish with it, I now realize that it was too short for me, and I'm not sure why I didn't switch sooner. So today I will be using a 10-foot 5-weight, new to me, Temple Fork Outfitters fly rod, and I'm very excited. I probably don't need to practice cast it, but you know how it is. This is what we do with the things we love. I just wanted to feel it in the water while I'm casting it, and to make sure that I don't accidentally catch anything, I will be fishing with just a leader, no fly. So let's go try and find some fry and do some casting. It's a really big pocket of isolated water, but not a single fry in it. So I'm having a hard time finding fry, which is too bad because my intentions were so good when I set out. I might go set up and practice casting for a little bit. Fish or no fish, this is a pretty nice way to spend the evening. The salmon fry rescue did not work out. I spent a couple hours looking for them and they're just not here, so hopefully that means that they're not stuck in places they shouldn't be and they are safely in the river in the deeper water. The plus side of today is that my rod casts like a dream. That extra 2 feet in my float tube is just going to be like absolute magic. I'm going to be able to get to all of the places that I couldn't before. I was struggling a little bit in my float tube with my other rod, so I'm excited. This is gonna just be awesome. Well, that's a wrap for this segment. We hope you enjoyed it. Please give this video a like and click that subscribe button. And don't forget to click the little reminder bell so you don't miss any future segments of the Women's Fishing Network and other great content from Goes to 11 Media.